So quick recap on the day. Let me go ahead and start sharing my screen. Took a short, originally a long on DWAC, ended up locking in profits way too early, then became very overbought, opened a short, and as right now, $7,300 is what I'm up on DWC. On coin, opened short, covered pretty early, walked away with $8,400. So now it's becoming a little bit more on the overbought side. Once I close my coin, my DWC short, I'm going to probably open this one because I see the downside potential as coin has been more bearish than it has been bullish. So just going with the flow of the overall market. Tesla's first green day since reporting earnings and pretty much trading sideways. I do want to remind you that, again, one green day does not define a market reversal. This is a step in the right direction, but this does not mean that Tesla is going to recover from here. Things can definitely get worse before they get better. So if your intention is to try to be calculated with your entry and only trying to enter when there's actual indication of an uptrend, I don't think today is that. I think it's too early to tell, and especially because of how the NASDAQ market is performing today after the PCE report. I'm not sure if you guys were aware of this. PCE report, PCE prices, personal income spending came in, personal spending also was reported. All came in as expected, except personal spending came in at 0.7% versus the expectation of 0.4%. So when big tech reports earnings next week, if we do begin to see some selling pressure on NASDAQ, understand how that can correlate to more selling pressure on Tesla. When the S&P 500 and NASDAQ market begin to sell off, they carry markets down with it. So do not be surprised if NASDAQ market begins to sell off, that so can Tesla. Enjoy your weekend. Again, have peace in mind. There's no reason to open an early position. There's a saying that I always share with my LPP team, and that is, I would rather be someone that is late to a rally than early to a sell-off, which I think is a great perspective to have with what is going on right now with Tesla. Feel free to share your thoughts down in the comment sections for me, but if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to send me a direct message via Discord or via Instagram. And again, if you want to be able to watch me trade live as soon as Monday, right now we are running 50% off LPP 2.0, and that is the second link in the description down below. It's our biggest sell. It's never going to get better than this. So I hope to see you there. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.